Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope it's a wonderful day today. In this video we're talking about the easy money plays to buy now. So these can go up from 10 to 100% in just a short period of time. So just for guys' reference, I'm not responsible for any losses you guys make during these easy money plays. This is not financial advice. So the first stock is called Rice Acquisition Corp. So ticker symbol RICE. So this is currently this is currently up. This is currently trading around $17.30, nearly up 13% on a day. This went up nearly 70% in the past week. So this SPAC is joining with this company, Aria Energy, and this company, Atria, to create the world's leading renewable natural gas platform. This company will be named Atria Energy. So this company will capture and convert waste emissions from landfills into low carbon RNG and electricity. So this is really good because look, US landfills are expected to grow from 8 billion tons of waste in 2020 to 13 billion by 2050. That is good for this industry. They're expected to have better revenues than their competitors such as CLNE, AMRC, and MNTK. So that's really good. So how would I play this one? So I'll just put my money into twos on 2 separate days on 2 different strike prices. On Monday I put my first 500 no matter the price. Then on Tuesday, if this drops to below $15, I'll put my next 500 on this one. Then we just wait and ride this up to its highs. So because of this is an easy money play, we're going to pull a 10% trailing stop loss. When this drops below 10%, this will kick us out of the stock and then consider buying lower at a lower price. So when you're up 20 to 50% on the stock, put a 7% trailing stop loss, so this kicks you out when this drops. And if this drops, we just rinse and repeat. The next stock on the list is called MVIS. So this is a drone company. So it's currently down nearly 4.4% on a day. So on the week it's down nearly 7.6%. So it recently was at $15, then it went down. So it's pretty much a double up from here. I do think this stock deserves to be at least $10 because they just report their earnings with 333% an increase in revenue year over year. And we also know the drone industry is about to grow to 94 billion in 2030. So Monday this drops below 625. I put my whole $1,000 on the stock, put your 10% trailing stop loss on this in case it goes down, so it kicks you out. Then consider buying at a lower price. Then once you're up 20 to 50%, put your 7% trailing stop loss, so it protects your profits if this goes down. The next stock on the list is called SENS, ticker symbol SENS. So this is a company that develops glucose monitoring products for cancer patients. So it's currently down 10.34%. On the week, it's down 10.7%. But we can see they went all the way to $5, then they went straight down. I do see this going up really soon. I do see it's going up really soon. It's $3.50. Then once we break that line, it will be $4.80. So those are my 2 price targets. So my first strike price is $2.27. So it hits that Monday. Put my first 500 on that. Let's wait a bit, and if this drops to 210, put your last 500 on this. Make sure you have a 10% trailing stop loss, so this kicks you out if this goes down. So if you're up 20 to 50%, put your 7% trailing stop loss, so this kicks you out and protects your profits. So the next stock on the list is called Microvision, ticker symbol MVIS. It's currently up 0.5% on a day. On the week it's down nearly 12%. They had a high of $24 and now it's just went down 50%. So recently they had some news that shot the stock up 50% in one day. This news wasn't about Microvision, but it was related, so that's why it went up. So it said Microsoft will deliver to the US Army more than 120,000 devices based on its HoloLens augmented reality headsets. The reason it shot up is because Microvision develops the technology for these augmented reality headsets, so that's why it shot up. So for this one, I'm going to average down on 2 different strike prices. So my first strike price is $14.10. So if this hits that, boom, put my first 500 on that. Then we're going to wait a bit. If this drops to $13.50, I put my last 500 on the stock. Then once we do that, we ride this back up to ties. Make sure to put your 10% trailing stop loss, so if this goes down, it just kicks you out. Make sure you also have your trailing stop loss to 7%, so you protect your profits. we get a bonus stock on this. This is also an easy money play, so it's called Marathon Digital Holdings, so ticker symbol MVIS. So this is a Bitcoin mining company. So in Q1 in 2020 they apparently mined 196 Bitcoins, so when Bitcoin rises, this will also rise. So any red days you see on the stock, load up. So if it goes up 30 to 50%, put a 7% trailing stop loss to protect your profits, because we know this stock in Bitcoin is really volatile. So those are all the easy money plays for this particular video. So that's the end of this video. Those are my easy money plays. So yeah, so feel free to subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video, some of these guys are larger ones, so more kind of investing in finance. So that's all from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. See you guys next one, and happy investing.